Hi viewers, let's take a look at a mathematics question, which topic is mean, mode, and median. If you're just joining me for the first time, you're welcome to my YouTube page. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and repost. Kindly share my videos to people that might be in need of it. I really appreciate it. And kindly let me know where you are chatting from. So let's get started. So the question states, the marks scored in primary science by 10 pupils are as follows: 16, 14, 13, 16, 18, 19, 20, 15, 18, and 18. 1. What is the modal mark? 2. What is the average mark? 3. What is the value of the median mark? So each of the question has its own option. So at least you can easily know if you're correct or if you're not correct. So let's get started. So what I usually do whenever I want to solve this question is that I love to prepare a table like so. I'm going to call this X. The X stands for each of the numbers here. The F stands for the frequency, which is how many times do they appear. Then this Fx simply means F times X or X times F, whichever I want to put it, either Fx or Xf, whichever is correct. So let's get started. And whenever you're listing your values, which is this X, it is either you arrange them in an ascending order or in a descending order. In other words, it's either you arrange your numbers from the biggest to the smallest or from the smallest to the biggest. So I shall be arranging mine from the smallest to the biggest. So the smallest number here is 13. Yeah. After 13, followed by 14, followed by 15, followed by 16. 17 is not there. So I have 18 and I have 19. That's step 1. Step 2. Check how many 13 appears in the question. How many 13 do we have in the question? Just one. 13 appeared just once, so I'm going to write 1. That is the mean of frequency. That is how many number of times did the number appear in the question. So in 14, how many do we have in 14 here? 14 appeared once, so I'm going to write 1. 15, so to be on the safer side, each time you're picking the numbers, I love to cancel it so that I will know that I'm done. So I'm done with 13, I'm done with 14. The next number is 15. How many 15 do I have in the question? That is 1, so I've cancelled, that is 1. Next is 16. How many 16 appears? We have 1 and 2. So 16 appeared twice, so I'm going to write 2. How many times did 18 appear? So we have 1, 2, 3. 3 times. 19 appeared how many times? Just once. So we still have 20. You can see the reason why I said you should learn to cancel whichever numbers that you are done with. So 20 appeared once. So we have 1. So you can see that all the numbers here has been cancelled. So it simply means that we'll be able to capture all the numbers that are in the question. So remember, we were told that there were 10 pupils. So another way to know if you are correct in your frequency is that when you add them up, it has to tally with the number of pupils that we have in the question. So let's check. This is 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, that is 10. So it is correct. So this means summation. This sign simply means summation. So summation of this is 10. So the next step is to multiply the fx or xf, whichever. If you can do 13 times 1 or 1 times 13, you're still going to get the same answer. So we have 13 times 1 is 13. 14 times 1 is 14. 15 times 1 is 15. 16 times 2, that should be 32. Yeah. Yeah, 32. 80 times 3. Let's quickly do our rough work here. So 80 times 3, that should be 54. 90 times 1 is 19. 20 times 1 is 20. So remember, this is summation. So we have to sum up all these values here. So let me just get my calculator. So we have 13 plus 14 plus 15 plus 32 plus 54 plus 20, plus 19, yeah, plus 20. So the total is 167. So when you're done preparing this table, so we are good to go to answer all those questions that we have here. So question 1 says that, what is the modal mark? Modal mark or mode simply means which number appeared the most. Which value appears the most. That is, you can get your modal mark from the frequency. Just move to the frequency aspect of it and check the highest number there. You can see that this frequency here is 3. 3 is the highest here. This 3 simply means that the 18 appeared 3 times. So this 18 is our modal mark. That is, the 18 appeared the most, which is option D. So question 2 says that what is the average mark? So average mark is the same thing as mean. Another name for average is mean, and the formula for the mean is your summation of fx divided your total of the f. That is the total of your fx divided by the total of your f. So you've already solved them already. So we have fx, the summation of my fx is 167 divided by, then the summation of my f is 10. So that should be 16.7, which is option B. Sorry, 16.7, which is option B. So I guess, so the mean is 60.7. Probably I copied this question somewhere. Probably what they wrote here is not correct. So that is the mean. So the next is our median. The median simply means that which value is in the middle. Which value is in the middle. So it simply means that whenever you are solving for the median, you have to watch out for 2 things. If the frequency is an even number, you have to add up the numbers that you have to divide this 10 by 2, like the number by 2, then add up the frequency and check where the number falls into. Okay, let me explain. Our frequency here is 10, and 10 is an even number. So what you're going to do is that 10 divided by 2, that will be 5, which is 5. So you are going to check. You start adding the frequency from the beginning. You add up where you have 5, like 1 plus 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. So this is where the frequency, the median falls into, because here I have 5 here. So which number falls on this 5, which is 16? So my answer is 16 for the median. Then in the question, okay, so the mean is 16.7. So if we are to approximate it, it's going to be 17 rather. So the answer here is 17. So it's correct. The question is correct. We did not have to, it was approximated. So that is all for the question. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more questions of this nature. And also I have a mathematics playlist. You can kindly go through it and check which questions or which topic that might be of interest to you. And if you have any topic that is bothering you that you need help with, I'm available. Kindly comment and tell me the topic you would love me to take.